Hello! So we're out doing a wild camp tonight and we're in the Lake District. We parked down at Honiston Slate Mine and then we're following a path up towards the Great Gable and Haystacks. We don't really have a wild camp spot specifically in mind or a particular route in mind. The sort of criteria that we want to tick off is that we have a nice lake view over Buttermere, so we get a nice sunset, a nice sunrise and a really beautiful spot in the mountains. We've got our big backpacks on, heading uphill, hence the out of breathness. But it's an absolutely stunning evening. We're in our little second mini heat wave here in the UK. It's about 6:45 PM now. Really excited to set up camp. So the tent is set up, we've got baked beans and rice for tea tonight, camping staple. We've decided to come up Fleetwith Pike in the end. The summit point is literally just this pile of rocks here. It's a popular area for obvious reasons, absolutely stunning. There's quite a few other people wild camping as well. If you give Lake District wild camping a Google, this area comes up. Also Buttermere Lake is just over there. But we'll get a nice sunrise as well in the morning, which will be beautiful, which we're really looking forward to. Got a G&T, nice little treat. We just watched the sunset go down, absolutely stunning. Sky's beautiful, honestly. Really, like, speechless. I'm gonna get up early tomorrow for dawn, watch the sunrise. It's supposed to be like early 30s, I think, tomorrow. So hiking with our huge backpacks on is probably not the best idea in the midday heat. So we're probably gonna get up early-ish because I would like a dip in a lake too. That's tomorrow's priority. So we're busy watching the sunset, only to turn around and seeing the moon rise. And I think literally maybe tomorrow night will be a proper full moon, but it's pretty much full. I mean, you can't really see it on here, which it looks really shit, but it's actually really stunning, actually really beautiful. Feeling very grateful for this evening. It's absolutely beautiful. Just, yeah, words can't describe it. Feeling very grateful. Good morning. It is 5:10 in the morning and the sun is just coming up now. It's a really quiet, peaceful morning, just like it was all night. It's been hot. It's so quiet, the odd plane. So still, no wind whatsoever. Excuse the bedhead, by the way. Literally woke up, well, I've been awake for a little while, but literally got out of the tent about 10 minutes ago. I don't know why I'm talking so quietly, but it just feels like you should this early in the morning. Yeah, we didn't sleep a lot. I got a few hours though. I kept falling down the bottom of the tent. It's all part of the camping fun. But yeah, just gonna have a nice peaceful morning watching the sunrise. The sun has actually come up above the mountains and you can see it hitting the tops. There's quite a few people up now, so it's not as peaceful as it was at 5:30. I feel very, very lucky and grateful to be here. It's really, really nice. So we're just starting to pack up our stuff. We don't want to be putting stuff away too late and then we're walking in the heat. Goodbye, camp spot. You did as well. long left camp, left Fleetwith Pike on our way down. It's just gone 7:30 and it's already like really warm. We're gonna head up Haystacks, which is this one here, this lower one. So you can see the path that we're heading for, which is this line going very steeply up. So we made it, we're at Haystacks. Stunning views of Buttermere. See why it was one of Wainwright's favourites. It's beautifully lined with the heather and the tarns, and it's a really pretty mountain with the stunning views. So we've just come down Haystacks and we're about to pass this bothy again, so we thought we'd stick our head in, have a nosy. So this is a bothy. Ooh, look what I found. Just coming back into a Honister slate mine car park now, and both of us agree we can't wait to take these bags off and take these shoes off because it is hot. We also can't wait to get a nice cold drink. But it's about 11 o'clock now. Time to go find a lake to have a nice swim in. So we're at Derwent water having a nice post-hike swim. Angus is not convinced. He's not a cold water fan, but I force him to do these things. We're only here for like 24 hours, but it's absolute bliss. Back in the car. Derwent water was lovely. The water is so refreshing, so nice. I put my head under, which I don't normally do. So now we're just driving to Keswick, which will probably be quite busy, but we're going to pick up some lunch and then head back home. So we've just got home and we're going to unpack and have a shower and just relax for the evening. It's still so warm outside, it's still so nice. But yeah, I had such a nice time in the Lake District. It was only 24 hours, 24-hour adventure, but it was just what I needed. So 100% recommend, even if it's just for one night or even one day, just getting out into nature. It's so good for the soul, especially if you just need a break from the reality of life. So thank you so much for watching. Next week we're hoping to get away to Scotland. We've got a week to explore, so stay tuned for that because I will be vlogging it. Yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you soon.